Hey, I'm Eli with FranFunnel. Should you be sending texts overnight? This is certainly one of the questions we get most frequently, and the short answer is yes. Maybe it's overnight, maybe it's the weekend, but what matters is that is when the leads themselves are thinking about you. We understand your concern of not wanting to text people at 2 in the morning, but the reality is that's when they're out looking for information. By texting them right away, you're ultimately able to communicate with them in a way that they respond to well. Now, does that mean you need to be available 24/7? Not at all. You can craft your messages in a way so that you're not obligated to respond immediately. Our research has shown that even if you're not available, once you create that connection with a lead, it persists. You've earned the credibility with the candidate. Whenever you get back to them, your relationship has already begun. In the end, if you're uncomfortable sending messages overnight or over the weekend, we do have tools to allow you to avoid those time periods. Just ask a member of the FranFunnel team for help.